It's gonna be a good walk.
You need to walk.
We went all the way downtown to ship one Mario Brothers 3 Nintendo cartridge that sold for, how much did it sell for?
I don't know, like $5.
$5. A lot of work. All right, heading out now. Got my cancer-causing sunscreen on, and I'm heading out. Here we are. We're in the center, the heart of Old Augustine.
Yeah, I have a question about the
Lunch at the Floridian again.
favorite place.
Can't get away from it. Getting detoured out here to the middle of these houses. Kind of like this neighborhood. It's called Lincolnville, and I was reading a sign back there that said that when the slaves were free, a lot of them came and populated this area, and that's why I guess they named it after Lincoln, for President Lincoln. But yeah, so it's a very old historic district. You have the high ground, huh? You know it too. Down feathers everywhere, right? Augustus, are you shedding feathers? Yeah, they're your color. Yeah, but look at this. All put together, cleaned, and with a new layer of water protection on it. Good job, Maria. And she goes.
It's getting pretty hot here, and we really started thinking about the, a lot of people have like a screen for UV protection on the back of the boat and sometimes the side. So we remembered seeing these things down in one of the lockers and got them out, and they are for this section here across the back, and then they just need a really good scrubbing. They're very dirty. They work, and they're very expensive if you have to buy them, so we are definitely going to clean them up.
So this is how we found them in the locker, and after it cleaned, looks almost brand new. Can't really see the sun stopping power of these things right now because of the clouds, but yeah, that was a nice find, just especially because the sun has been setting right there. It gives the boat a whole new feel. Another cold gray day, but we're finally putting the headliner back in. Right there. Got it all put back together. There is a ceiling in here. You can control. Huh?